Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding and managing contract clauses using the Word add-on. If you're working on a contract in Word, open the Lexzur Word add-on. The add-on enables you to insert predefined clauses into your contract document, or add new clauses directly to the system through the Word app. To insert a clause, click Insert Clause to access a list of predefined clauses. Search for the desired clause by name and select it. The content of the clause will automatically be added to your document, saving time and effort when including standard or frequently used clauses. To add a new clause, choose Add Clause to create a new clause directly from your document. The entire document text will be added as the new clause's content. You can edit the content to include or remove specific sentences as needed. Specify if the new clause applies to all contract types or a specific type. Name the clause and decide whether to set it as private, allowing only certain users to edit it. Then click Submit to save your new clause. Once submitted, your clause will be stored in the clause library within Lexzur. To access it, navigate to the Contracts and Documents section under the Contra module. Select Clauses to view all clauses you've added. You can manage existing clauses or add new ones as needed. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.